In this video, we'll show you how to replace the high beam bulb on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and on the back side of the headlight housing. Let's get started. We can pull the rubber cap off the back side of the headlight housing. We'll set that off to the side and reach in and turn counterclockwise with the bulb. Pull this out. We can pull back on this tab and pop it out of the connector. You always want to check your connectors for any damage or corrosion. When installing the new bulb, you want to be very cautious not to touch the glass to anything in the area, or your fingers especially. If you get any oil on the bulb, it could cause it to go bad. You want to push the connector in and make sure it's locked down. You'll feel the bulb set in flat, and then you can turn it to lock it down. We can install the rubber cap on the back side of the headlight housing. Work it around until it's fully set down. Make sure you test out the functionality, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.